If you want to know if this is the right coffee maker for you, we're gonna go and review this product.
Make sure you got,
Sorry, thank you. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Teamklowhat.
I'm Yonel.
I'm Alex. So here we are to review the Cuisinart 14-cup maker PerfecTemp Programmable Coffee Maker.
Good job. Awesome.
Are you ready?
Let's open it up.
First, let's unbox this baby. As usual, there is a, we definitely need to keep the instruction manual. So some casing, yeah, we can toss that to the side. After that, we have okay, here we go. All right. The whole machine comes in one package. Yeah, one piece. So let's take out the 14-cup carafe. I guess it's
called what?
Carafe.
A carafe. Got it.
The detachable top, and it comes with a few filtering cups. All right,
yes.
Not bad. Oh, I forgot. This coffee maker has a water filter. Do you really need to filter water that is going to be boiling? I don't know. Well, that might be a gimmick.
You may, because you could boil a rock, right? And the rock will still be inside the water. But if you filter the rock, then you're not gonna drink.
Boy, if you don't get absolutely no sense, but thank you very much. So let's continue on.
Yes, it does.
So here we go. Oof, nice.
It looks great. It's got a nice shiny black color, very black and metallic material, which goes with a lot of your furniture. Not furniture.
It's an office.
I personally like it. It looks very electronically.
Yes.
I'm a techie, so it looks really nice. I'll give you guys a better, closer look.
So on this side, you have the on and off button. Ooh. Then on this side, you have the temperature. You actually also have a clean feature that I like. So it has a system that once you put the water in and you press clean, it basically filters so that you get fresher coffee every single time. On the other side, we have a bold, so you can set the degree of how strong you want that coffee. It also has a timer, so you can set up to 24 hours. You can program your coffee. So for those of you who are coffee fiends, you can go to bed, set it, and forget it. You also have a warmer, so it keeps coffee warm for up to 4 hours. So this is ceramic, and it regulates the temperature to make sure that the coffee stays at a certain temperature. Yeah, I know.
Wow,
I
did your homework.
Research. Okay. Yeah, I did some research.
Over here in the top, we actually have the location where we put the filtering cups, and this thing comes off whenever you need to clean it, rinse it out. I think we need to put this bad boy to the test.
So right here on the side also, I like the fact that it has a little external measuring, so you know how much coffee you're putting on.
I will put on the filter. It only comes with 4 filters, which means you're gonna have to go to the store and buy.
Yes.
This is just to get you started.
I like the fact that it has like a little rain system. So when you close it, it isn't just one strip of water, which is normally what some of the other ones get. So this is the little filtering for the coffee maker. It comes right here. You attach it to this side, and basically you put it inside, and it's supposed to help filter the water. All right, so one of the things I'm so sorry that I did not do was research how much does each filter cost, and that's gonna be very significant for some people, because then that's an additional cost of buying coffee and the filters and all of that.
We'll put it on the description of the video.
Yeah, we'll find out how much they do.
So I think we're ready to brew some coffee.
Right here, you can set the time. So it's gonna ask you to set the timer. On this side, you can set the hour, and then the minutes. You need to do this the first time you plug it, so that when you program the coffee for 24 hours, then it knows that, you know, how long it's gonna do that.
So we're gonna make it a little strong.
I don't think so.
A little bit of espresso.
It is already espresso. This is Bustelo, man. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. This little knob here has 4 different settings. One is on auto. Then the second one is if you're just gonna brew some coffee. The third one is if you set up the wrong time, so that you don't have to unplug the machine, plug it back in. So for those of you who are different time zones, you can do that. And the last time is auto and off.
Don't break the machine. If it doesn't come on, just take a look at the knob.
We've had quite a few little difficulties, like the video in which we reviewed the Ninja.
Yes.
It was
that video there.
Yeah, that kind of taught me a little bit to do a little bit of research. So, okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna head and click on power. All right, here we go. We're gonna set just the boldness to whatever it is, and we're gonna set it to brewing coffee. All right, here we go. So we'll be back as soon as this coffee is done.
But one thing we want to talk about is the fact that it has to be on first and then put on brew so that the machine can start. Order when you're actually setting it so that you're gonna sleep or overnight, come back the next morning so the coffee will be ready by the time you want it to be when you wake up, when you come from work, and things like that.
The machine itself has a little moisture, so you gotta be careful about putting your hand up there. It feels kind of warm. So I guess depending on where you're gonna place it at, you may want to show that the surface itself has some kind of. This also happened when we did the Gourmet air fryer. So if you want to watch that video and unboxing and review, which is another Costco product, is right there. Are you ready for some coffee?
I am ready for some don't forget the coffee.
Don't forget the coffee.
That is it?
I'm just gonna give you that much, so.
Coffee.
You hear that sound?
What does that mean?
Well, the machine is letting you know that the carafe is out of
water.
No. The carafe is out of the machine. By the way, it will stop as you're brewing and you take it out, so you don't have to worry about spills. I like that.
Oh, really nice.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that is really good.
I'm really smart with the coffee in my hand.
I'm sure you do.
Like, yes, today's meeting we will have salud.
Wow, you're adding more sugar? That thing was already sweet.
Yeah, it's kind of light. If I ever drink coffee, it has to be dark and powerful. What's the word I'm looking for?
Bold?
Strong.
So just mentioned that he wanted strong coffee, so he's adding more sugar to it. We know that is not the case. This is gonna make it sweeter. That's always what happens. But anyways.
You know, you gotta get your life sweet.
One thing I need to check is clean up. All you need to do once the coffee is done is pull it out, take this, dump it out, and then as you can see, inside there are two separate pieces. So if it ever spills over or anything like that, it's very, very easy to clean. I mean, is this the best $60 coffee maker money can buy?
I think that machine is very easy to use. It was very simple. It was a 1, 2, 3, and we had coffee within a matter of a minute, a minute and a half.
About 2 minutes it was done.
I like it. I mean, it was great. It was great. And for the price,
$60.
$60, I think it's pretty decent, I'm considering it.
All right, so out of 5, I would give it a 4.5. The reason that is, I think that although it has instructions here, some of them are not too clear.
All right, look, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 because it was very easy for me to use. I enjoyed it. This was a great process. I'm not really a coffee drinker, but I'm gonna enjoy this for you guys.
Thank you.
And cheers. Cheers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Share.
And also share.
Just like I shared this cup of coffee. Again.
Cheers.
He doesn't drink. He just like cheers all day long.
We'll see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
For watching this video,
Sorry, thank you. Thank you everybody for watching. You just saw that. He almost put the coffee on me. That is so wrong. I'm so glad it's not like hot piping coffee.